Welcome back to Beautyistic. Let's talk about something that's often overlooked in our beauty routines, but is so essential: dental hygiene. If you're someone who's always on the go, or just tired of traditional floss, you might want to stick around for this review. I'll be reviewing the Gum Soft Picks Comfort Flex, disposable dental picks that promise to make teeth cleaning quicker, easier, and more effective. So if you struggle with tight spaces between your teeth, or you just want to keep your smile fresh all day long, this might be the solution you've been looking for. Before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you never miss a review on Beautyistic. Gum Soft Picks are designed to give you an effortless way to clean between your teeth and improve your oral health. These are disposable interdental brushes that feature soft, flexible bristles that slide easily between your teeth to remove plaque and food. Each set comes with 80 picks, which means you're getting plenty of use out of one package, and they come in a mint flavor for that fresh breath sensation. The picks are ergonomically designed with an easy grip handle, making them convenient to maneuver, even for those hard-to-reach spots. Plus, they're dentist recommended, so you know they've been designed with oral health in mind. The best part? They come in a convenient carry case that fits right in your wallet, bag, or car, making them perfect for on-the-go oral care. In my personal experience, these picks were incredibly easy to incorporate into my routine. I've tried traditional floss, but I always felt like it was awkward to use, especially between my back teeth. These Gum Soft Picks, however, glide smoothly between my teeth and are much more comfortable thanks to the soft bristles. The mint flavor is refreshing without being overpowering, and I love how they leave my mouth feeling clean and fresh. The ergonomic handle really makes a difference. It's easy to grip and control, which helps when you need to reach those tighter spots. I also love that they come in a compact case, so I can easily throw them in my purse for quick touch-ups throughout the day. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, these picks are a breeze to use. They're gentle on the gums, but still get the job done by removing food particles and plaque. The minty flavor is a nice touch, and the compact packaging is super convenient. Another pro is that they're dentist recommended, so you're not just relying on personal experience. There's a professional endorsement here, which speaks to their credibility. On the flip side, one downside for some might be that these are disposable. While the convenience of disposability is great, it's not the most eco-friendly option. Additionally, if you have wider gaps between your teeth, these might not be as effective as a floss that can slide through those gaps. But for most people, these soft picks will do the job just fine. When it comes to value for money, I think these are a great investment. You're getting 80 picks for a reasonable price, which means you won't need to replace them for quite some time. Considering how easy they are to use and how they help maintain your oral health, I think it's money well spent, especially if you're always on the go and need something quick and convenient. Comparing this to other similar products on the market, you'll find that the Gum Soft Picks are fairly priced and perform really well. Some other brands have picks that aren't as comfortable or don't grip as well, but these feel high quality and are durable, even though they're disposable. The mint flavor is also a nice perk, as it adds an extra layer of freshness that other brands often lack. As far as build quality, these are made with a sturdy handle that doesn't bend easily, so you won't find yourself snapping them mid-use. The bristles are soft, but they don't lose their shape easily, which is a good sign of their longevity. I've been using mine for a few weeks now, and they still work just as well as the first time I used them. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get your hands on these, the link is in the comments. As for customer support, I haven't had to interact directly with Gum's customer service, but based on the brand's reputation, they're known for their reliable customer support and handling inquiries promptly. Now, if you're on the lookout for something more affordable, you could always consider other disposable dental picks from brands like Oral-B or Colgate, which often have similar features at a lower price point. That being said, I do think Gum Soft Picks offer a solid performance, so if you're willing to spend a little extra, I'd recommend these. To sum up, I'm really impressed with the Gum Soft Picks Comfort Flex. They're comfortable to use, get the job done, and are perfect for those of us with busy lifestyles. The compact design makes it easy to take them anywhere, and they offer a great balance of effectiveness and convenience. I would recommend these to anyone looking to improve their oral hygiene routine, especially if you're not a fan of traditional floss. Thank you for watching, and don't forget, the link to purchase is right in the comments or description box. If you've used these before, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. I'd love to hear how they've worked for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.